Actually, kamoke can committee, yeah, Mirima Karani. Actually, kamoke can committee, yeah, Mirima Karani. Mirima Karani, Doma, Mirima.
Rumba. Hallelujah. Yesu la town.
Yes, luak me northern Uganda kachiel kikabero mapapa mawinyo lep luo mawinyo lep acholi tiene wati band promotion wati kikes kame noni wati kilawe ma en paro moluo nye MTN ediet wajuli band promotion TV nying waluo ni
Apo imetaka luania ni Ricky Dollar the Birds and the Fiesta.
yeah
Yo,
Ricky Dollars
yeah man.
Ricky Dollars kira luo kere music industry music name nying me pen romo luo ni ndo
Nya ti Jofik Market.
Jofik Market
Yeah man.
kata en luo kere titik moma initio tie apart from music
Ya atie ngat ma charowi. Dok bene chamo ka kero jimi mama for food.
neno be to twa
Yeah man.
itiki we moromo biro
So far atiki music mapol, atiki we maromo abor do. So the bole chala atiki mone chope kwene atiki mari atiki nyoko konye pe atiki we magilwone actually omiere makagani so ene muti la kubu dance
okay munyuri in wer versatile we mokiken kon raga hip hop nganga ge wen irubu wen nganya yote
to twale amar timo pe wen hip hop pod bagan twala timo dancehall kachel ki la kubu dancehall bana kila kuku piwa ki zouk zouk kila hip hop I don't pod bagan pod la nyoka
okay it's okay we ma in wer gina bor we mana ma inoni twala in fem to twa onyo dano do ngi yin to twala
we ma twala an ma wa oloto wa dong ni Ricky Dollar the Birds bene tie ken Kenya na we ma wera ma la kompe kwara churi mi ma kagan
we ni romo yoko wa acapella ne ko
around me ne
ko chanyo wa
actually kamoke can committee yeah Mirima Karani. Actually kamoke can committee yeah Mirima Karani. Mirima Karani Doma, Mirima Karani. Actually muguka orero wigi will walk karagi. Actually muguka orolaya wigi will walk karagi.
Wow.
Ale won karana we kulupo willy kom karani.
Yeah. It's so nice. We me kika encouraging wun moti di rock wun. Omere ma lepi ki come look lepi ya. We ki ngeni ene the true actually Kodi ma unami luo wani konyi ngo ngagini en look kom lepi ki come ki we ngo. Beno no ngeni en origin from luo
True that.
We ni waromo no ne don kwena Ricky Dollars.
Iromo chero YouTube channel. Si chero yenyo chi no chome Ricky Dollar.
Ricky Dollar. Channel mane do we
atwale YouTube tie
YouTube channel panga channel mane ikome
tie kiri promotion ni gidwoni download promotion de tie ino wena tie kunyo studio mana yubo ye wena ben gidwoni download records so iromo chero inyo channel pa Robbie One ya chino
nyori no vibe eno ni duchu
ino tie makome
ngo chware ni music industry tane
what inspired me to be a musician is one of the musicians. He is by the name Lucky Dube.
Lucky Dube.
Yeah, much as that guy, he used to sing reggae music. So I like his music so much because of some of the messages which has contained in his musical vibe. So that is how I got encouraged.
The way you enter in music is the late Lucky Dube.
Yeah,
is the one himself inspired this man. May he should rest in peace. For now, as we do, chama ngo ma in romo miyo ne when you encouragement you advise mane ma in romo miyo ne gidang wa ko kunu nyo wel worry
My fellow musicians, Amir me, Gana Matiak to call bargaining in music, the mirror will laying down. So, Mirnan Chawe, you bit rocking, you come out with every time with new vibe all the time. And you also need not to stick to only one producer. So you keep on changing your what? Your producer. You go from one studio to another so that the knowledge that producer is having is different from the other one. So your music will keep on climbing up every time and then.
Dong tiko mani kerila wemo o in shalting timo gino maraj bori ngoma in romo dwako ne bora machalo feedback
Aka ngat mo challenging an in ki winyo we na ma wajo ni chope kwana so ngato nyono tini kumeri bing tiene ngato chono dego ni chon miene met ki miene so mu
chon dago ne
per ke met ki chon nok miene met ko so in the mono we pien
it's so funny
when you do good to me I will also do the same to you.
Okay,
When you do something which is not nice, then definitely you will expect a lot of. So that is it. That is Ricky.
you will expect a lot of trouble
Through that.
paje waromo no ikwene
I had to check about it. So I'm a passion from within.
within la more
Within the more here. So that is it.
okay, it's okay.
Form of respect.
Subscribe for more,
Yo,
like and comment.
respect.
Go to
Salute.
BEM Promotion
Salute.
and then find Ricky Dollar
Ricky
song.
Dollar.
Bye bye.